Okay, so we're here and we're in the talking about the hedge. This one's not available yet. If I get a lot of requests, I mean, if it gets popular and people want it, if I see people saying, "Oh," in the comments, or it gets all the likes. I mean, it's like it's got to be like the older videos of the hedging. And if then I'll just say, okay, fine. So right now, it's not available. But I'm just looking around to see if I'm gonna see anything. This is armed. Oh no, wait, is this? Yeah, yeah, yeah. This one is a demo, and the demo is doing a hedge zone on the U.S. dollar, Japanese yen, um, EA. That did on the back test. It was what was it on the back test? I think back test it was like 43% per year, and the drawdown was like 12%. I think the drawdown was 12. Max drawdown was like 12%. Let me see, 43.1. Yeah, max drawdown was. See, that's at 2R. The profit factor 2.2. Started at 0.4, right? Hmm. Hmm. So 43% per year. So the profit factor was lower than that. I'm sorry. Yeah, it was just 1.26, like borderline. Sharp range 4.3. And that's a hedge. That's the hedge. Max six legs. Put that down. Okay. This is the demo. This the other one's the live. Let's see. That's a demo. That's the live. She's alive. She's alive. So this one's trading the RSI algo. What does the RSI algo do? So this one is the RSI algo TPB USD. Like I think if you take, let's see if I can show you strategy tester. I don't know, what is on the and H1 um GBP USD on this one, and it was the hmm should be up here, right? There it is. This one, I think this was it. Um, um, do do do. I don't think I had the no false, right? And I think that's how to run it here. Any other way you adjust that is just gonna be crap. But this one was decent. Hold on. I think this is what over a year. We're trying to do a year of back testing. This a year, over a year, a little bit, 2 months over. Kind of shaky. Then it goes up. The real test is May. There's May, right? Yeah, there's May. That's the real test right here. That's the regime change. It's terrible. Usually they go down from here. They go straight down. This one didn't. This one continued up. Uh, Squeezy, squeezy. Back test. Pretty much 50% gain. The equity, max equity drawdown 12, max the drawdown was 10, profit factor 161. That's better than 1.256, right? Recovery factor 3.14, very nice. 88 trades. Mm, Hmm, hmm, kind of the same. So that's that. Am I running it? I am, but I'm only doing, I think, right? Did I just say that? I'm getting confused by all the stuff I'm running. Is this one? And I think I'm only doing three lots. Mm, that's high. But anyway. Oh, and this is just a monitor, I think. This is, I think this one's just a, it's an alert, right? No, it's not. Oh, I'm actually running it. I'm running that on here? Really? Okay. I thought it was on. Oh, it was on my other computer. Is this one on? Yeah, it's on. Oh well, it is what it is. I don't know if that's gonna work. There's too many things running on one. Gotta lower these pips, right? Lower these lot sizes. But anyway, um, back to this. So now this one, I think this is a year. Is it a year or it's a little over a year? Or a year? I think it's a year. I mean, the only thing to do is I gotta go back. And this takes a while. Hold on. Hold on, let me pause. All right, so yeah, on the hour one, this is like 2 years. So you're gonna make almost close to 30% per year on JPY if you only traded that, right, with these parameters. So, um, if you're using, if you're at 100,000, 100K, that's what you're looking at. Now, of course, that grows to be more at a larger, use that as, you know what I mean? Um, yeah, I'll play with that number some other time. But yeah, you can see it there. It's right at the bottom, right? Starting at 100,000, then this is all NZD slow mover. Some of these are slow movers. The slow movers, of course, you make less in a year than a year or two. 130,000. This one, oh, this one has a lot of losses. You have to change the parameters. You can adjust it, right, to what you want. You know what I mean? Like optimize it. Um, and then the time frame sometimes changes. It's a little bit different. Like let's say, I mean, if you're on, this may not show up. Yeah. Your AUD, in 2 months, 7 grand, but it's not counting the whole year, the regime changes and stuff like that. So you can see what it did the previous month. Um, as we go down to three, it's pretty much shows a month. This is on the first plan. If you're on the other plan, it would show more if you're on the larger plan. I don't really bother. I used to, but I don't now. And just play around with the numbers, right? Do I go over breaks anymore? I think I do the breaks. Anyway, let's see what I see. All right, right now We've got, oh, this one's about to, this one's at break even right now. See how it's at the white line? That's at break even. You could say, all right, let me get out the trade. Like maybe you're on the sixth leg and just say, you know what? I went out, right? This one right now is on the first. Oh, yes, the first entry. First entry, right? Is it the first entry? No, it's not. It's up top. I'm sorry. The long, but the other one was the first entry. Okay, well, there it is. I was wondering what's going on. I'm like looking at this. Supposed to be looking at that one. It says cycle start. I'm looking for this. Cycle start just triggered and it went the other direction. Um, let's see the stats for that. So I'm trying to think. I mean, would I do one? Let's say uh, first leg percent 1.8. Right, I would get out like 1.8 first leg. Right, if I want to just trade the first leg, but it's only that's like 44%, so I wouldn't really do that. I would find something that might be higher. If not, keep it moving. So what I would do, so say, let's say for instance, first leg goes right, but it's like a low number, 30%. It would make sense for you to take the opposite side as a single trade, right? Let me see if I can find something. You can move these around different time frames, and you'll see where each one's in a different spot. That one closed cycle. Let's see what's CAD JVY. Okay. Oh wait, darn! I'm supposed to take these off. Oh jeez, cause it's confusing. I gotta change the default. Oh, that closed. I'm looking for something that's open. HFJPY on the 15. All right, so what are we on now? We're on the third leg. Third leg. I'm not gonna say anything else. All right, boom, boom. I mean, it's just this has been in the same range for how long? I mean, I'd like to see it beyond 2 days. Oh, it's hitting 2 days. This might close. Oh, this could close soon. This could close soon, man. What was the last one? My thing is, it's oh man, my computer is all these windows open, all these programs running. Yikes! No, just close this stuff, man. That's the codes. That's the codes. Oh, this really slows it down. I can't. It's still kind of. Was it in? Oh yeah. All right, kind of in this range for a little while. Hmm. How many days was that one? 6 days. Hmm. One, two, three. All right, and then it went. And this is in the third one. So third, not a strong point. I'm thinking. Hmm, what are your demo account? What are your demo accounts doing? Um, what my NYR? What? I must have been half asleep. Harmonic pattern. Do I have anything on that? Head break? Nothing. 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 I did like four trades on that. Only one made money. Um, hmm, I don't know, man. Your AUD's the man. All right, so is this the first break? Yes. Chances that what's the odds? 42. So it's a 54% chance that this isn't going to work out. But I like where it is. So I would take that trade to at least here, right? I mean, that gives you what a 6.14. Oh, what's the let's say 70, let's say 75 and 12. Your AUD one, let's say 15.75. Um, what I say? Not the break. It would be possible versus near TP. Possible reversal near TP. I gotta look at my other screen. Hold up. It's not gonna show on there. It's gonna show on the other computer. On the other computer. So, all right. So you risk. I'm pretty much risking $100 to make 522. Yeah, you risk $100. I like that to make 522. If it doesn't work out, $100. I mean, typical. I don't. I mean, it's probably going to be a continuation because market just open. It's probably going to finish its move. All right. So let's let that do its thing. Not watch it too much. Um. Yeah. So that's going to be Euro AUD trade right now. Euro AUD, something like that. All right. Short it to at least there. Um. Yeah, to at least that line. I was gonna say down here, but that's too. It's too. That's being greedy. Um. At least to where it's gonna cross and cause another leg. To happen. It's a 50% chance. It's a 54. It's like a 50, 56, 55 point something percent chance. 56